For our paid squad, we are back, and in this video, I'm talking about how I passed the FTMO challenge at verification. And if you're currently taking the FTMO challenge or verification, or you've taken it in the past and have failed it, then this video is definitely something you want to watch. So you already know how it goes. Run my intro. Hey friends and new traders, welcome back to the channel. My name is Matt and I teach day traders just like you how to become profitable by teaching different tips and strategies. With that being said, let's get into the video. Alright, so I recently taken the FTMO challenge and verification. I just passed the verification last week. Started it on the 11th. Finished it on the 8th of September, so it took me less than a month to finish. I actually passed it in 8 days, but I had to do a couple of in and out entries just to get the fulfillment for the days pass. So overall, if you're taking the challenge or you're about to take the challenge, you know that you have an objective of 10 days, which I passed it in 8, but for some reason it says 11 here. I don't know why. It should say 10, but I actually passed it in 8. So I don't know why, but okay, so this is my equity curve. Since I started FTMO challenge, I never went below the opening balance. First trade, pretty solid. Got $447 in the first trade. And after that, you can see that I had a couple of losing trades for the most part. But then after, something that I do teach on my channel with risk management is to always have bigger wins than losses. So I came back out swinging. It's a big win. And then you can see pretty small loss right here. Keep the losers really small as possible. If you see that your trade is not in your favor, just get out as soon as possible. And as you can see, after that, it was just uphill from there. And I actually ended it with the exact amount I needed, which is pretty crazy if you think about it. This is a 15,000 account size, so I was going for the 15,000 FTMO account. For the challenge, I think I needed $1,250, or it might be $1,500, I can't remember. And as you can see, for the verification, I needed $750, which was not too hard to obtain. But the thing about this challenge, starting with the challenge, it could be somewhat, you gotta make sure your psychology is on point, because the challenge alone is just a month, so that is extra pressure on you as a trader. If you're doing the trade right, if you're going through the challenge right now or the verification, you know that there is pressure to pass the challenge within a month. But the best advice I could give you guys is just to focus on your trading plan. Stick to your trading plan and use proper risk management. And a quick tip to help you guys: once you built enough, I say, cushion from the starting balance in your account, say it'd be like $500, $700, then what you could do at that point is up your lot size, but still try to keep the same type of risk management, but you could definitely up your lot size. So that will definitely bring your account much more higher, more quicker. so you can finish the challenge. Another tip I have for you guys is, if you want to say you're about to finish the challenge much more quicker than expected, say you might finish it in 3 days. The days that you're not trading, because you shouldn't be trading every single day, because there might not be a setup every single day unless you are catching quick moves in the market in and out. Then you should not be trading every single day. You should be looking for a specific setup that goes with your trading plan. So you can see right here, minimum trading days was 11, and then the daily loss for me was 216. I don't know how that happened, but 216, I might have been above what my risk management is, because I usually risk about $100 to $130 each trade. So I might have had 2 losing trades that day actually. And then you could see right here, for the max loss, I had $80. So that clearly shows you that my first trade that I had was started with negative $80, and then after that it went straight into profit. So this was negative 80 drawdown, and after that this went straight into profit. And then of course you see the exact profit target hit. So scrolling down, you can see that definitely had more winning trades than losing trades, and my winning trades were a lot bigger than my losing trades. So the main thing to focus on when taking the FTMO challenge is make sure that you know your R to R, your risk to reward ratio, and just know your trading plan is exactly what you're looking for in your setup, and using confluences and have proper psychology. Don't put too much pressure on yourself. There's already enough pressure with how much time you have with the challenge. But the good thing about the challenge, I'm not sure about the verification, but I know with the challenge, if you end up not passing the challenge, but you're in the positive, like you don't violate none of these trading objective rules. None of these say not passed, except for obviously this one. So say you passed all of these, but you didn't pass this, but you're still in profit, you will get another chance at the challenge for free. So that is another good thing about the FTMO. Um, so yeah, so for me, mostly the pair that I traded was the New Zealand dollar, and a lot of it was sell, because the market was just in sell was just selling every single day. So it just gave me pretty solid setups to take. So New Zealand dollar is pretty solid as far as setups, and GU as well. Had a small loss on gold and a small win in euro dollar. So, and you can see my win rate as well. My win rate of 53.33. So you don't have to have a high win rate when it comes to being profitable or consistent in trading. You just have to have the right psychology and the right risk to reward. And my average risk to reward was 2.31, which I tried my best to go for 3 to 1, but sometimes you just have to exit a trade early or take partial profits and then wait to see what the market does after that. So still pretty solid risk to reward in 15 trades. I think this is my losses. Average loss. So average loss, you can see $65. That's pretty solid. And my win is $100.89. Average profit. All right, so that is how I passed the FTMO challenge. Another cool thing about FTMO, they do give you certificates, which I think is pretty solid. So you can see I passed the verification and I passed the FTMO challenge as well. So you can see they have overall payouts of 50,000, 20,000, 10,000, 5,000, and $100 profit split. So those are certificates that I'm looking forward to obtaining very soon. So solid platform for FTMO. So yeah, so just a quick reminder when taking the FTMO challenge, just try to stay focused. Don't trade when your psychology is off or you're having a bad day. Don't force trades. Stick to your game plan and have proper risk management. And don't forget, you always get another chance at passing the challenge if you don't violate any of the trading objectives. And if you're having trouble passing your FTMO challenge or verification, I do have more tips and strategies that clearly I use on a daily basis that allowed me to pass the verification and the challenge. So, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of your day, evening, or night. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification button. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. I am out. Peace.